Good morning, everyone. In this video, we're going to discuss the fourth step, Yahatz. We did Kadesh, Urhat, Karpas, and now we're up to Yahatz. Yahatz, from the word Heti, means to cut. So we're going to cut in half the middle of the three matzot. So we're going to take the three matzot that are on the Ke'ara. We're going to take the middle one, and we're going to cut that in half. Some try to cut it in the shape of a Dalid, and then the Vav. But just to cut it in half. And then we take the larger piece and we save that for the afikoman. That's going to be at the end of the Haggadah, of the Seder. And we take the smaller piece and we put that back in between the two matzot. The reason we're breaking the middle matzah, first let's discuss why are we breaking it all together, is because we're about to start the Maggid, the Haggadah. And the law is that we say the Haggadah over lechem oni, over the bread of a poor man's bread. And the idea of a poor man's bread is not only that he has very little, but even what he does have is usually just pieces. So to portray that idea, we cut the middle matzah to show that we only have a piece. We're like poor people. That's how we begin the Haggadah, leading eventually to our salvation and to our geula, to our redemption. So we take the middle matzah and we cut that in half. And the reason it's the middle one is because the upper one we're going to say hamotzi on it, and we need to say hamotzi on a full piece of matzah. So we have the upper one, that's hamotzi, and the middle one is because the second bracha is ala chilat matzah. So it's appropriate that the middle matzah, which is the blessing of ala chilat matzah, should be said on a broken piece of broken piece of bread. Our custom, the Syrian custom, is to take that larger piece of the two that we're going to put away. And first we pass it around the table, and everyone puts it over the shoulder, and to act as if we are, leaving Egypt. And we say the pasuk, Mish'arotam tserurot besimlotam al shechmam ubnei Yisrael asu kidbar Moshe, saying how they took with them their food on their shoulders. So we put the afikoman, we put the food on our shoulders. We say the pasuk, and then everyone asks, Min wen jaye, where are you coming from? And we answer, Min Misraim. Then they ask again, Fen Rayeh, to where are you going? And we respond to Yerushalayim, Ba'agalah Uzman Karib, Bezat Hashem, we should all go to Yerushalayim together, Amen. If somebody forgot to cut the Masa, if somebody forgot this step of Yahat, and they're already in the middle of the Haggadah, of the next step, they should cut it wherever they are. They should go back, cut the piece, hide the afikoman, and then continue from where they left off. Have a great day.